Building automated tests with TestComplete and have BKD script unit files. These contain test automation logic for software quality assurance. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these TestComplete script unit files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium BKD file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. A BKD file is a script unit created by SmartBear TestComplete, an automated UI testing tool. These files contain source code, typically in languages like JScript, Python, or VBScript, that defines automated test procedures. Users create BKD files to build reusable libraries of testing functions and logic for quality assurance. The BKD file is a plain text file containing scripting code. This design allows for easy version control, diffing, and editing with both the built-in TestComplete IDE and external code editors. By storing scripts as simple text, it ensures maximum flexibility and integration with standard developer workflows and source control systems like Git. TestComplete is the standard set by SmartBear software for accessing the BKD format. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows cannot run scripts directly, so users must invoke them with supported tools. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your BKD file and select Open With. If TestComplete is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If your BKD file still refuses to open, stay calm. We know the BKD format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, opening and TestComplete. Launch SmartBear TestComplete and use File then Open Project to load the project containing BKD script units. The script editor displays script content with syntax highlighting code completion and integrated debugging. Run scripts directly from the IDE to execute automated tests against target applications, recording results for analysis. Next, editing as text. Open BKD files in Visual Studio Code or any text editor since the format contains readable script source code. View and edit scripts outside TestComplete for code review or quick changes. After editing, reload the project in TestComplete to refresh the script content, though the IDE provides better integration with TestComplete's testing infrastructure. Finally, continuous integration. Integrate BKD test scripts with CI systems like Jenkins Azure DevOps or GitLab CI through TestComplete's command line execution. Configure pipelines to run automated tests on each build, providing rapid feedback on application changes. Test results integrate with CI dashboards, enabling team-wide visibility of software quality metrics throughout development cycles. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.